Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of using castor oil before bed. Hey, beautiful people! If you're tossing and turning at night, dealing with stubborn skin issues, or just wishing your hair would grow a little faster, I've got some exciting news for you. It's all about a simple, natural remedy that you might already have in your bathroom cabinet: castor oil. Yes, you heard right. That humble bottle of castor oil, often tucked away, could be your secret weapon for better sleep, glowing skin, and even luscious hair growth. And the best part? We're going to unlock its full potential by harnessing its power before bed. In this video, we're diving deep into the amazing benefits of using castor oil before bed, backed by science and real-life experiences. We'll cover everything you need to know, from what castor oil is and why it's so special, to exactly how to use it to get the best results. So if you're ready to transform your bedtime routine into a self-care ritual that leaves you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and absolutely radiant, then stick around. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. If you find this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more informative and educative videos like this. Thank you. Okay, let's unravel the mystery of castor oil. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Castor oil isn't just any oil, it's a superstar ingredient with a rich history and some pretty incredible properties. So what makes this thick, golden liquid so special? The origin story. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, which thrives in tropical regions. These seeds have been used for centuries across different cultures for their medicinal and therapeutic properties. The oil itself is extracted by pressing the seeds, a process that's been refined over time. Ricinoleic acid, the key to castor oil's magic. Now here's where things get interesting. The real MVP in castor oil is a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound makes up about 90% of castor oil and is the secret behind many of its benefits. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. This means it can soothe irritation, fight off harmful microbes, and potentially even reduce pain. But how does this translate to real-world benefits? Well, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil is thought to interact with receptors in your body, triggering a cascade of positive effects. For example, when applied to the skin, it can help reduce inflammation and stimulate the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin looking plump and youthful. When ingested under the guidance of a healthcare professional, it can stimulate your bowels and promote regularity. It's pretty amazing how one compound can do so much. Unique properties. Castor oil isn't just about ricinoleic acid. It also boasts other unique properties. It's a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, making it an excellent moisturizer for skin and hair. It also has a high viscosity, which means it's thick and coats surfaces well, allowing it to penetrate deeper into the skin and create a protective barrier. These properties, combined with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, make castor oil a versatile ingredient for a wide range of health and beauty applications. Remember, while castor oil has many potential benefits, it's important to use it correctly and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. All right, let's get to the juicy part, the health benefits of using castor oil before bed. Get ready to be amazed because this natural wonder isn't just for grandma's medicine cabinet anymore. It's like a multi-tool for your health and beauty routine, with benefits that extend from head to toe. Let's break down the science-backed ways castor oil can work its magic overnight. 1. Skin health, your overnight glow-up. Forget expensive night creams. Castor oil might be your skin's new best friend. Remember that ricinoleic acid we talked about? Well, it's a powerhouse when it comes to skin health. It helps soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even combat acne-causing bacteria. Plus, its humectant properties draw moisture into the skin, leaving you with a dewy, hydrated complexion. But that's not all. Studies suggest that castor oil may stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, two proteins that keep your skin firm and supple. So, while you're catching those Z's, castor oil could be working hard to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a natural, youthful glow. 2. Hair growth Rapunzel. Who? If you're dreaming of long, luscious locks, castor oil could be your fairy godmother. When massaged into the scalp, it improves blood circulation, which delivers essential nutrients to hair follicles. This, in turn, can promote hair growth and strengthen existing strands. But wait, there's more. Castor oil is also a natural emollient, meaning it softens and conditions the hair. This can help prevent breakage and split ends, leading to healthier, shinier hair. Some people even report seeing thicker, fuller hair after regular use of castor oil. It's like a spa treatment for your scalp, all while you sleep. Digestion and gut health. Happy belly, happy life. If you're struggling with digestive issues like constipation, castor oil might offer some relief. It's been used for centuries as a natural laxative, and modern science backs it up. When ingested in small amounts and under medical supervision, castor oil can stimulate bowel movements and promote regularity. But it's not just about quick fixes. Research suggests that castor oil may also have a positive impact on gut health. It can help balance the gut microbiome, which is the collection of good bacteria that live in your digestive system. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to immune function. Sleep and relaxation. Sweet dreams are made of this. Who doesn't love a good night's sleep? Castor oil might just be the secret ingredient for a restful slumber. While research is still ongoing, some studies suggest that castor oil may help improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety. It's thought to work by promoting relaxation and reducing stress hormones. Plus, castor oil can be used topically to relieve muscle tension and soreness, which can further enhance sleep quality. Imagine massaging your feet with warm castor oil before bed. It's like a mini spa treatment that prepares your body for deep relaxation. Other potential benefits, the cherry on top. In addition to the benefits we've discussed, castor oil has been linked to several other potential health perks. These include pain relief. Research suggests it may help alleviate joint pain and muscle soreness. Immune support. Some studies indicate it might boost immune function. Wound healing. Its anti-inflammatory properties may aid in wound healing. Liver health. It's been traditionally used to support liver detoxification. Remember, more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits, but it's exciting to think that this simple oil could offer such a wide range of advantages. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you might unlock a whole new level of well-being. But remember, it's important to use it correctly and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. All right, now that you're convinced of the amazing potential of castor oil, let's get practical. How exactly do you use this wonder oil before bed to maximize its benefits? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Preparation. Choosing the right oil. First things first, not all castor oils are created equal. For the best results, opt for cold-pressed castor oil. This means it's been extracted without using heat or chemicals, preserving its beneficial nutrients. Look for labels that say cold-pressed, hexane-free, and ideally organic. There's a link in the description box below for our top best pick product for easy access. If you purchase, I may make a small commission that is of no cost to you at all, but it helps me to make great content for you, my lovely audience. You might also notice different colors of castor oil, from pale yellow to dark brown. The darker the color, the more nutrients it likely contains, but it can also have a stronger scent. It's a matter of personal preference. Application methods. A variety of options. Castor oil is incredibly versatile and can be used in various ways. Topical application. This is the most common method for skin and hair. For skin, apply a few drops directly to your face, neck, or any areas of concern. Massage it in gently using circular motions. You can also mix it with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil for easier application. For hair, massage a generous amount onto your scalp and work it through your hair. You can leave it on overnight or for a few hours before washing it out. Castor oil packs. These involve soaking a cloth in castor oil and placing it on the skin, often with a heating pad on top. This method is said to enhance absorption and is popular for addressing digestive issues or pain. Ingestion. If you're using castor oil for constipation, it can be taken orally. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for proper dosage and guidance, as excessive use can have negative side effects. Dosage recommendations: start low and slow. When it comes to dosage, it's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase it as needed. Topical use: for skin and hair, a few drops are usually enough. You can apply it once or twice a day depending on your needs. Ingestion: if recommended by a doctor, the typical dose for constipation is 1 to 2 tablespoons. However, this can vary depending on individual factors. Always follow your doctor's instructions. Tips for minimizing side effects: while castor oil is generally safe, it can cause mild side effects like skin irritation or diarrhea. To minimize these risks, do a patch test. Before applying castor oil to a large area, test it on a small patch of skin to check for allergies. Use a carrier oil. If you have sensitive skin, mix castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil to dilute it. Cleanse thoroughly. After using castor oil, cleanse your skin or hair thoroughly to remove any residue. Scientific evidence: numerous studies support the various applications of castor oil. Skin health research shows that ricinoleic acid in castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit skin conditions like acne and eczema. Hair growth studies suggest that castor oil may promote hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp and providing nutrients to hair follicles. Digestive health: castor oil has been shown to be effective in relieving constipation and may have potential benefits for gut health. Other benefits: while research is ongoing, preliminary studies suggest that castor oil may have pain-relieving and immune-boosting properties. Remember, while anecdotal evidence and traditional use are valuable, it's always best to consult scientific research and healthcare professionals for accurate information. With this information, you're well on your way to incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine safely and effectively. Stay tuned for the next section where we'll cover precautions and potential side effects. All right, let's shift gears for a moment and talk about the important stuff: precautions and potential side effects of using castor oil. As with any natural remedy, it's crucial to be informed and use castor oil responsibly. While it's generally safe for most people, there are a few things you should be aware of to ensure a positive experience. Allergies: while rare, it's possible to be allergic to castor oil. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include skin rash, itching, hives, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms after using castor oil, discontinue use immediately and seek medical attention. To be safe, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying castor oil to a large area of your skin. Apply a small amount to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. Pregnancy and breastfeeding: if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid using castor oil, both topically and orally. Some studies suggest that castor oil may stimulate uterine contractions, which could be harmful during pregnancy. There's also limited research on the safety of castor oil for breastfeeding mothers, so it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid it. Interactions with medications: castor oil can interact with certain medications, particularly those that affect the digestive system or blood clotting. If you're taking any medications, it's important to talk to your doctor before using castor oil, especially if you're considering ingesting it. Skin irritation: while castor oil is generally well tolerated, some people may experience mild skin irritation, redness, or itching. If this happens, you can try diluting castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. You can also reduce the frequency of application or discontinue use altogether if the irritation persists. Digestive issues: if you're ingesting castor oil for constipation, it's important to follow the recommended dosage carefully. Overuse can lead to diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and dehydration. It's also not recommended for long-term use as a laxative, as it can disrupt your body's natural bowel function. Always consult a doctor for guidance. Important note: while castor oil has many potential benefits, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, it's essential to consult your doctor before using castor oil. By being aware of these precautions and potential side effects, you can safely enjoy the many benefits that castor oil has to offer. Remember, informed and responsible use is key. All right, let's add a personal touch to our castor oil journey. While we've covered the science and practical tips, nothing beats hearing real-life experiences and expert opinions. Let's kick things off with some stories from people who have incorporated castor oil into their bedtime routines. Sarah, 35. I started using castor oil on my eyelashes and eyebrows a few months ago, and I've seen a noticeable difference in their thickness and growth. It's like a natural lash serum. John, 48. I've struggled with constipation for years, and castor oil has been a game changer. I take a small dose before bed, and it gently helps me get things moving in the morning. Maria, 28. I used to have dry, flaky skin, but since I started using castor oil as a moisturizer, my skin has become so much softer and more radiant. These are just a few examples, but the testimonials are endless. People have found relief, healing, and beauty benefits from using castor oil in various ways. Their stories highlight the real-world impact this natural remedy can have. To add even more credibility, let's bring in an expert to share their insights. We had the pleasure of interviewing Dr. Emily Carter, a naturopathic doctor with expertise in natural remedies. Dr. Carter Castor Oil is a true gem in the world of natural medicine. Its unique properties make it incredibly versatile, benefiting everything from skin health to digestion. I often recommend it to my patients for various conditions, and I've seen remarkable results. I want to ask, what are some of the most common ways you recommend using castor oil? Dr. Carter. Topically, it's fantastic for moisturizing and nourishing the skin and hair. It can also be used in castor oil packs to address digestive issues or localized pain. In some cases, I recommend small doses orally for constipation, but always under medical supervision. And so I want to ask, are there any safety concerns people should be aware of? Dr. Carter. Yes, it's important to be mindful of potential allergies and interactions with medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid it. And it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil internally. This expert interview not only adds credibility to the claims about castor oil's benefits, but also provides valuable information from a medical professional. Remember, while personal testimonials and expert opinions are valuable, it's important to always consult your doctor before starting any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. By combining personal stories with expert insights, we can get a well-rounded perspective on the benefits and potential risks of using castor oil. This information empowers you to make informed decisions about incorporating this natural remedy into your own routine. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? From its ancient origins to its modern-day applications, castor oil is truly a versatile and potent natural remedy. We've explored how its unique properties, particularly ricinoleic acid, can benefit your skin, hair, digestion, and even sleep. We've learned that when used topically, castor oil can hydrate and nourish your skin, promote hair growth, and potentially even reduce signs of aging. As part of your bedtime routine, it can even contribute to better sleep and relaxation. And if you're struggling with constipation, a small dose of castor oil under medical guidance can offer relief. But remember, it's important to use castor oil responsibly. Be aware of potential allergies, interactions with medications, and contraindications for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Always do a patch test and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. So, are you ready to give castor oil a try? I encourage you to experiment and see what this natural wonder can do for you. Start small, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. And now it's your turn. Have you ever used castor oil before? What benefits have you experienced? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of knowledge and support around this incredible natural remedy. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and beauty. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your well-being is in your hands. Please check the description below for other great videos on castor oil. Embrace the power of nature, and let castor oil become your bedtime secret weapon. See you in the next video.